Tickets for that. That's a ripoff. 5? Really? I kill some damn zombies. Right? Hell you. My fave game, guys. Fave games. What's up? My 3D glasses. Sadie. Your 3D glasses. We're about to murder them, right? Her. You. Guys, so we got life right here, you know, life and
I have
one
two.
single
They're not mine.
thing. What's up, Sadie? So guys, life, go-karts are life when it's raining. 10 times better. Yeah, it is. So,
Wait, I can hardly see
them results.
Guys, my hair was done.
It was.
You can hardly see my
Y'all
hair.
should come to go-karts when it's... Guys, luckily, we had clothes in our backpack. Told y'all we had a closet in here. So we just changed up in this bitch.
Oh, look at my hair. Well, we changed.
Raindrops falling down my window.